Welcome to Forest's short video on how to build a garden shed. For this project you'll need 2 people and it should take you about 3 hours to complete. You'll also need the following tools: a hammer, a drill, step ladders, a spirit level and a sharp craft knife. Prepare a concrete or slab base for your shed which is at least 50 mm larger than the footprint of your shed. Before you start, check through your instructions and familiarise yourself with all the shed components. Firstly, if the doors of your shed are not pre-hung, put the door end on the ground face upwards. Locate the doors and fix them with the hinges and screws provided, making sure the barrels of the hinge are on the outside face. Now, move your shed floor onto the centre of the base. Pre-drill 3 pilot holes at the top, middle and bottom through the 2 side frames of each of the side panels. Lift the back panel of the shed into place and offer up one side panel to meet it. Screw these 2 panels together through the pilot holes in the framing and fix with 50 mm countersunk screws provided. Don't fix them to the floor just yet. Prop these 2 sections up so that they will stand on their own temporarily, and then attach the remaining sections in the same way. Once all 4 sides of the shed are in place, pre-drill holes through the bottom frames right through to the floor bearers which run along the full length of the shed. Fix the shed framework to the base using 50 mm screws. Now you're ready to start on the roof. Take one roof section and attach a batten with evenly spaced nails. There may be different lengths of roof battens, so check the instructions and make sure you select the right one. Attach the second batten to the other side, ensuring it's offset from the edge. This distance may vary depending on the size of the shed being built. Check the instructions to find out the exact distance. Now, repeat this process with the other roof panel. Take the 2 shorter roof battens and fix the Z brackets to each end with 35 mm screws. Take these battens and fix them to each gable end about halfway between the ridge and eaves, checking the exact location in the instructions. Take one of the roof sections and lift it into place, locating the offset batten into the notches in the top of each gable end. Fix them to the sides and gable ends with 30 mm nails. Lift the second roof panel into place and fix it in exactly the same way. Roll out the roofing felt and cut it into 3 equal lengths using a sharp craft knife. Lay the first piece along one of the roof sections with an equal overhang at both ends and about 40 mm overlap at the eaves. Put a small tack through the felt at the top to hold it in place. Secure the felt along the eaves with felt tacks at about 150 mm intervals. Do the same on the other side of the roof. Now, lay the third length along the ridge of the shed with equal overlaps at the gable and on each side. Fix it into place over the top of the other 2 strips with the tacks. Tidy up the corners around the edge by folding and tacking where necessary. Make a small slit in the felt at the apex and fold down and tack on either side. Do the same at the back of the shed. Attach the barge boards to each gable end with the nails provided. Trim off any excess felt. Attach the corner cover strips into place with the nails provided. Now you can put the window in. Take the plastic Z strip and put it in place on the ledge of the window. Take the window glazing and slide it into position. Fix the beading around the window using 25 mm glazing pins. Lightly score around the window and remove the protective film from the glazing. Finally, fix the door fastener or bolt for the door. Your shed is now complete. For more how-to videos, visit forestgarden.co.uk, the UK's favourite garden timber supplier.